In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable app badging on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select apps. And then underneath apps on the right side, select notifications. Should be something that says app badging. Show dot on app icon for app alerts. Go ahead and enable that by clicking inside that oval one time to toggle to the right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.